Welcome to Sign Up Simple and my GetResponse tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to create an autoresponder. This video is number 8 of 12 videos in this video series. And if you are not already signed up with GetResponse, I have provided a link in the description for you to use to sign up. An autoresponder is used to automate email replies. It is triggered by a user action. To create an autoresponder, you first click Tools, then Autoresponder. Click Create Autoresponder. Now, name this autoresponder. I am going to call it Subscription. When do you want this message to go out? We are going to leave it at 0, same time as the sign-up time, and we leave all days of the week selected. We are also going to be leaving the From and Reply To email addresses. I will be adding Welcome to Sign Up Simple as the subject line. The next thing we will need to do is select the template that we created in the previous video by clicking the Design Message button. Click My Templates. Click Use Templates. Click Next, and now that template is selected. Lastly, I am going to change the list from Oliver to List 2. I am going to recheck everything, then click Save and Publish. We have successfully created our first autoresponder. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you are not already signed up with GetResponse, then I have the link in the description. Also, the next video should appear in front of your screen here. See you in the next video.